Hello, family. Welcome back. This is Frazier Hunter Jr. Today I'm going to be going over the compensation plan of the Home Business Academy. I'm going to tell you how to make the money or what you get for the products. So we're going to just jump right into it. So here's the compensation plan. And across the top, you can see these are the products. We have three residual products, which is the Let's Go app, the Funnel Builder, and the Premium position. And we have one more product, which is called a Financial Literacy Academy. That's just a one-time cost, and you get 80% of that. These first three are residual, and we're going to go over that. So let's start with the Let's Go app. Well, first we're going to start with all of our products. We get paid 80% commissions. 80%, guys. So basically 80% of each sale, you're getting 80% of each one of these products. So the Let's Go app is $10 a month. And out of that $10, you get $8 per referral. The Funnel Builder app is $25, and you get $20 of that per referral. The premium product is $125 per month, and you get $100 of that per month. So all of these are residuals, and you pay every month. So as you can see, two sales, you're in profit with just two sales. So, and when I say all in, that means person has all three of these products right here, and you get $128 per month. So that's the goal, guys. We know in the perfect world, everybody is not going to sign up for all of the products, but you can kind of get an idea of what you can make, and also you get an idea of the goal to shoot for. My goal is, mostly all in members, but like I said, that's in a perfect world. So let's just go to the calculator and see how much money do you want to make a month. I know $3,000 a month will free a lot of people up. You can basically live anywhere in the world for $3,000 a month, guys. So that's the starting point. So let's see what we need to do to make $3,000 a month. So if you only need 24 customers, that's all in customers that have these first three products right here. We're not even counting the financial literacy because that's not residual. We're only doing the residual products. So you only need 24 people that's all in, and you'll be making $128 per person. So that's the goal, guys. 24 customers, and you're making $3,000 a month residual. Tell me what other program is going to pay you that residual 80% commissions like that. I haven't seen one. And if you do see one, most of them, the products are not worth anything, and most of them don't last long. What I like about this program, they've been in business 10 years, so it's a solid company. You don't have to worry about them shutting down. And so let's just look at some other numbers here. You can get, let's say if you just did all Let's Go members, you need 375 of them. If you did 150 people that got the Funnel Builder, you need 150 of them to make 3,000. Now, if 30 people got the premium plan, that's $100 a month. You only need 30 of them. So the goal is 24, guys. So the compensation plan is nice and simple. It's not complicated. That's what I like about this system. Everything now that even more that they made these updates is even more better, guys. So That's it, straightforward. You get 80% commission. These are our products. Just to go over them real briefly, like I said, I'm going to be doing a separate video for each product, so that's going to be coming soon. But the Let's Goal app, that's just the app that helps you keep track of your life. You can do journals in here, your goals, meditation, visualization, dream board, purpose, exercise. You can do a lot in here, guys, to keep you organized. So these are just some of the things that you can do. Now the funnel builder, which is our flagship product, you can build funnels, capture pages, calendars. You can do a whole lot, guys, with the funnel builder. So I'm not going to get into that too much. Now the premium package, you're going to get coaching, training on traffic, ways to promote your business, not just your HBA business, but you'll be able to promote any business for any company with the training that you're learning here. We also have some tools in here, prompt writing, AI tool, image generation tool, smart posts where you can post to multiple social media platforms. So yeah, guys, compensation is this is one of the simplest systems, guys, that I've seen. It keeps everything nice and simple, so you know what your goal is for what you want to make. 30 people, you only need, $3,000. Let's do $5,000. You only need 40 people. That's all in, guys. 1 second. Sorry about that. So you only need to make $5,000. You only need 40 people. Now I'm going to talk about some of the bonus that you're going to be getting working with me. One, you're going to be part of my school group where I do training on AI and different tools and stuff. This is one of the tools that you're going to have access to that's going to help you with your marketing. You're going to have access to this marketing prompt generator where you can create emails, social media, all these different prompts you can create, and you just put it in Chat GPT and it'll create it for you. So you just click on it. It's going to ask you some questions and you'll create the prompt. The second bonus you're going to get is going to get an image generator. Now, you ask you some questions here, create the prompt at the bottom, and you just hit copy. And you can use any one of these images. The one I recommend is ChatGPT. I just used that same prompt and I just created this right here within less than a minute. I created these two right here. I created this one first with the suit on. Then I told her to create one with shorts and a t-shirt. So that's the bonuses you're going to get. I'm going to be constantly adding different bonuses in there too. And the way you get started, let's go back to and the way you get started today, guys, is just go to the link below. You're going to see a capture page and just enter the capture page. I recommend you get started with the $35 today. And I'm just pulling up my link here. So yeah. Go here, fill out the page, guys. Put in your name and email. And then it's going to take you to a page where you can get more information on this system. So that's going to conclude our training today, guys. Go ahead and get started. Send me an email once you get started, or I'll be sending you an email too, because once you sign up, I will get a notification and I will message you the link to the school group where you can get all your bonuses. So that's going to be it on the compensation plan today. the H Home Business Academy, and I'll see you on the next video. Real quick, guys, I left out something that's real important on the compensation plan. They just added this with the new system. And this is real important, guys. This is real important. So let's look at these frequently asked questions right here. And I think you're going to really like this. That's not what I'm looking for. Here we go. Pass-ups. Very important, guys. This what makes this compensation plan even more better. Let's say if you sponsor somebody, if someone you refer goes inactive for 60 days, let's say they quit and they're going inactive for 60 days, all of their customers will pass up to you. Additionally, any third party, because we have third party programs in here too that you can sign up for, and I'm going to show you that in a minute, what I mean by that. Any third party, if they quit after 60 days, that also rolls up to you. So additionally, third party affiliate income streams, they roll up. When a customer purchases, the credit goes to the first affiliate in their referral tree who owns that product and has their affiliate link saved in the multiple income stream section. That's really important, guys. Because, a lot of times, people get discouraged, they quit. But they may have one or two customers, they may have more than that. And they quit for whatever reason. That, if you're over top of them, that rolls automatically up to you. So that's real important, guys. So I just wanted to point that out. Go ahead and get started below, and I'll see you on the next video.